What is up, you guys? Today I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I didn't upload a video last week because I'm kind of out of things to do right now. I can't think of anything to do to this car anymore. Obviously, one day we're going to paint it. I want to get racing seats for it and a roll cage eventually, but as of right now, it's as far along as I can get it. I've been seeing pictures of people building like a strut brace that connect right here, and they're using like exhaust clamps to clamp onto there. So I guess for this video, we'll just do that. I mean, might as well. Got the stuff. So this is how I think I'm going to do this. I've got this random strut tower brace that I found at the junkyard. Completely random. I've had this thing for a few months and I was like, I bet I could use that for something. You know, $5, why not? So I brought it home. And now we are going to utilize it. So this and something else. The other thing that we will be using are these exhaust clamps. Now they'll sit around the strut tower like that, and I can weld an end to these right here, and then we'll be able to cinch it in with these, or just by putting the nut on and cinching it in that way. Yeah, I think it'll work pretty good. So this is what I got so far. I got the strut tower bolt thingies off, and then these are both unscrewed, and then I got that and that. I think we're just gonna start welding. Not pretty. Flux can be a pain in the ass sometimes. Holy crap, you guys. I think we might have actually accomplished something. Look at that. And I was just saying I didn't know what to do. I was running out of things to do. There it is. Wonder what other junk I got laying around here that I could use. Anyway. Fully adjustable. Doesn't get any better than that. I'm sure it does with like some sort of name brand thing. But hey, functional, I think. Pretty sure. Anyway, I'm gonna go paint these now before they rust out. Or maybe it just matched the rest of the car, I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna paint them. So this is how this is going to work. So this is what's going to cinch down. cinch it down. And voila, we've done it. It's a cool little addition. Looks pretty nifty. I'm very proud of that. Good job, Michael. Pat yourself on the back. Hell yeah. If you guys want to do this to your Mark 1, or I don't know, maybe this will work for some other car, I'm gonna go on eBay and find a strut tower brace like this and link it in the description. And I'm also going to find these online, these exhaust clamps, and I will link those in the description as well. Those exhaust clamps you can also find at O'Reilly's and AutoZone, and I'm sure Advanced Auto Parts. So if you like this video, be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. We'll give one more look at this bad boy. Oh man, it's dirty.